Welcome back to Billy Goat Tales and our motivational mindset series. I am Rich Smothers, aka Crypto Billy, and this week we're just going strong and hard and blunt. No sugarcoating. Today we're going to be talking about loyalty. So, if you're sitting there thinking loyalty is some outdated Hallmark card sentiment for knights and blood oaths, you're sleepwalking through a battlefield. Really. It's not outdated. Loyalty isn't a warm, fuzzy, it's a fortress, guys. The iron-clad alliance that turns allies into armies, strangers into lifelines, and chaos into conquest. In this cutthroat circus of ghosting friends and backstabbing colleagues and fair weather fans who bolt at the first storm cloud, loyalty is rarer than a politician's spine. But here's the razor. Without it, you're adrift. A lone wolf picked off by the pack. With it, you're untouchable. Most of you chase superficial bonds, wondering why your world's a revolving door of letdowns. Today, we're welding that door shut. No therapy speak, no boundary baloney, just a brutal forge to build loyalty that lasts yours and theirs. Blunt truth, loyalty isn't given. It's grinded out, drop by drop of sweat and sacrifice. It's not a ride or die kind of thing. Instagram poetry. No, it's showing up when the party is over. The money is gone. In the glory, it just ghosts you. You want loyal people? Become the magnet. Unwavering, unapologetic, unbreakable. Grind after grind, day after day. But start with the traitor that's in the mirror looking back at you. How many times have you bailed on your own commitments? See? You skipped the gym for one more episode of a TV show. You ditched that side hustle when the shine wore off. Self-disloyalty is the rot that spreads. It trains you to expect flakes from everyone else. Fix that first, or your empire of one crumbles before it stands out. Your empire won, it will crumble. Let's hammer it home today. No vague vows. Let's get right into it. Step 1, forge self-loyalty like a vow to your own grave. Forge self-loyalty like a vow to your own grave. You are your first recruit, guys. Betray yourself and no one else will enlist. Specifically, tonight, audit your betrayals. List 5 promises that you broke to yourself in the last month. You do this exercise and it is going to blow you away. It's going to help you. For instance, you said I'd read 20 pages, but you scrolled instead. Well, there has to be a consequence for that. You have to have a penalty. Do 100 burpees at midnight, no mercy. Then realize reliability, daily loyalty ledger. That's what I do. Morning logs using my journal. 3 non-negotiables. Workout, water intake, 1 outreach call. Workout, water intake, 1 outreach call to get my stuff done. You can do it too. What am I saying? Create a rigid protocol. Create a rigid protocol. Self-loyalty isn't ego. It's the foundation. Without it, you're a hypocrite preaching bonds that you can't hold. You have to do this. Then preach it. Do it. Have your routine. Step 2, cultivate your crew. It's very important. Cultivate them with a velvet glove if you have to, and an iron fist inside of it. Loyalty's a two-way street, but you pick it with travelers who are worth the toll. No more collecting strays. The complainers who drain your tank, the users who ghost till they need a favor, you have to audit ruthlessly. Who shows up when you need them the most? Who celebrates your wins without envy at all? Who calls your bluff on BS? Keep 5 core people. The rest, well, they're peripheral, polite acquaintances. So specifically, this week, rank your top 10 contacts. 1 through 5, loyalty. Who's the loyalist among your group? Do that. Once you have that list done, prune it. Prune it. Seek out your doers. 1 new connection monthly if you have to. But you can do it. Prune your list. You have to be loyal to yourself, and you have to be loyal to others. And you want to build a team that has the same like-minded virtues and goals. Find your people. DM somebody. Say, hey, heard your podcast. Let's swap war stories over lunch. Or DM me back. I'd love to talk to you. Your story touched my life. Build your partnerships. Build your team. Loyalty blooms in fertile soil. Weed the barren. Prune. But selection, it's just half the battle. Delivery seals the deal. Remember that. Step 3, be the rock they can shatter swords on. Consistency crushes charisma every single time. Flaky friends make flaky followers. Reliability, well, it breeds devotion. Anytime trust is broken, hold no grudges if they own it. Forgive fiercely, but be very vigilant. If your crew called you out and they're right, thank them. Thank them for doing that. Swallow your pride. It's a circle of friends. Find your people. Defending loyalty, it sharpens it. It sharpens the friendship. Neglect erodes to dust. It's okay to confront. You confront them, let them confront you. Step 5, reinforce the ranks with fire, not crumbs. Loyalty starves on neglect, guys. Thrives on raw recognition. Don't wait for holidays. Celebrate in the trenches. Specifically, celebrate together. Do some very specific custom gifts for each other. You got to care about the people that are in your circle, and they got to care about you. Everybody has to be on the same page. That's how you build loyalty. You have to be there for them when they're down. You have to listen. They have to listen. There has to be a match, alignment of goals. Any excuses, you need to stomp them out. People always let me down. You could say that to yourself. Bull. How you select people, that might be the problem. You fix it by flipping it over. Dissect it. Figure out what you're doing wrong. Look at your own life. All right, guys. There's my 5 steps on loyalty. Blunt, consolidated, specific, truth. You might have to rewind it to listen again, but it's powerful. All of this condensed from my life to yours. If you like what you heard, click that like button, subscribe. We'll see you next time on Billy Goat Tales.